everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 21 of doing dailies every day in July. I brought my $6 and I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing in August. So if you guys want me to continue my dailies, I can do that. I'm going to try to bring a smidge more, and then I might save up all of the money at the end instead of putting it to categories. I haven't decided yet. So I just kind of need to know if you want me to keep doing this. I'm having fun doing it. So what am I trying to do? Oh, this is my quarter mini sharks. And I'll probably have a new set for August if I do August. Let me turn my phone down because that's going to start making all kinds of noise. And then I'm going to have to like giggle through the whole thing. Okay. It's muted, so let's add our 6 $1 bills here. So I put my cash in my minis bank. I'm going to take my $6 worth of prop coins. They're all in quarters. And then we're going to go to the start here. So that is going to be number 3. Get my dice tower all situated. All right, so now I'm going to roll a D3, and whatever it says, we'll get that many prop coins. So 1 for number 3. So how are you guys doing? 1 for number 4. 1 for number 5. I am working on orders. You guys have been so sweet to me with orders, and I am having so much fun making sparkly dice and savings challenges. I have new things coming up like every week because I can't turn off all the ideas. The ideas are just flying at me. So I just kind of announce them in my live on Thursdays and show them off. So never ever pressure to buy, but that's a fun way to, oh my gosh, with all the ones. I love the ones, so I don't mind. It's a fun way for me to kind of show off, wow, another one. The new stuff, and kind of if there's like gameplay to it, because I like making games, I'll explain that and maybe play it. 1, 2, 3. In August, I have some new little dice bundles, like my Coke Zero, 1, 2, and Dr. Pepper 0 and 2. So then our last one is going to go to 5. And then we will start at 6 tomorrow. All right. So, yeah, so it's fun. I'm having fun over here, just doing my best. Oh, with the glare. Okay, so number 1, let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, and 3, so that's 75 cents. Going into number 1, and this one is from Boy Mom Budgeting, Kelly, aka Dawn's Side Hustle. So we can do 4 circles, so 3 circles for 75 cents. Oh, we just needed 1 more. Are we done? Oh my gosh, we only have 25 more cents, so we should finish this one tomorrow. And then number 2, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, so $1.50 going into number 2. Oh, it's LJ's Butterflies, super cute, summertime or summer vibes. So we can do $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25, and 50 with the squeaky pen. So 1 more dollar and we'll finish summer vibes. And I think I have another one from her in here because she had super cute minis for the summer. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters for number 3. So that's $1. Yep, here's her other summer vibes. So we are going to do 4 strawberries. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I guess I'll color them in since the others are colored in. So this one only needs 50 cents. We might have a nice finishing day tomorrow. All right. Number 4 got 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 4 got $1. And we just needed 50 cents. This one is from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So we're going to put 50 cents there. We have 50 cents to go into a new one. This is, hey, you dropped this. And she's handing him a brain, which is kind of funny. I wish more people had common sense, but that's okay. Is that going to dog supplies? Yes. So that's going to dog supplies. So that's already marked. So let's pull a new one. Did I put more in here? I know I had a bunch that I was like, I really want to work on those. Oh, let's do another one from Becca. You're looking pine. Let's see. All right, so let's do green for this one. We can do 50 cents. All right, so we have 50 cents starting this one, and let's put dog supplies. All right. Number 5. 1, 2, and 3. So 75 cents going into number 5, which is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. We can do the lighter blue. So let's do 3 more hearts. All right, so that one's good. So this will save us $3. And then number 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going in here. And this one is a little bundle that I put together from Maribel at Mint Dough. So we have super cute, patriotic little minis and tinies. So we have $1. So let's get my other blue out. So I'm going to color this in and be right back. All right, so we are getting close. And I believe I got these in an order that I placed. All right, so now let's put all of our prop coins back, and then we can unstuff or stuff our $4 that we saved from Kimmy. Prop coins. And then we need $4. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we only have 1, so all I have to remember is dog supplies. So I'm going to put that back right now. Get out our dog supplies, which is here. So we're adding $4. Perfect. All right, guys, that is all I have today. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for day 21. I hope you can stop back by tomorrow and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.